Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of the translation and transcription. So it is a process by which a gene DNA sequence is converted into structure and function of the cell. Genetic information chemically determined by the DNA. Structure is translated to the daughter cell by the DNA and replication and expressed by the transcription followed by the translation. Gene expression multi-step process which involves the replication of DNA, transcription and translation. So first of all, transcription. It is a process through which a DNA sequence is enzymatically copied by RNA polymerase to produce a complementary RNA, like in another words, to transfer genetic info DNA to RNA. So transcription is divided into three types, such as initiation, elongation and termination. So first is initiation. The RNA polymerase recognize and binds to the specific region in the DNA called as a promoter, and these two different base sequence on a coding structure, which is the RNA polymerase and recognize. Elongation. RNA synthesis when proceeds addition of a ribonucleic acid, ATP, GTP, CTP and UTP as a binding as a link. The RNA polymerase transcript RNA in anti-parallel direction like 5' to 3' end, and the guanine in a DNA leads to cytosine in RNA, and thymine in a DNA leads to adenine in RNA. Then the last one is termination. It is an intrinsic termination, and the RNA signals that RNA polymerase to stop. Post transcription modification. It is a process which the precursor mRNA converts into the mature RNA. This is all about the process of transcription. Then translation. It is a process by which proteins are synthesized, and it is a complex regular process where the mRNA molecule, ribosomes, tRNA, amino acids and amino acid synthesis energy source ATP into GTP. This is all about the transcription and translation of the DNA. Thank you.